As an artist, I'm constantly thinking about the different ways that I can tell stories and share my vision of the world to people.
I first saw them and I was like, how does all this technology fit into something so small?
The new spectacles are going to allow you to overlay anything you want onto the real world.
I like using technology to delight people and immerse them in a world that they couldn't experience in reality. Because I really wanted to use AR in a therapeutic sense, looking at the ebb and flow of water and sea creatures. I think that really inspires my creation.
As a Black artist, I feel like a lot of young, up-and-coming artists are not represented. I wanted to showcase their work in an augmented reality gallery in 3D and show them in a light that is beautiful and just inspirational. Now I can actually walk around and see what I'm capturing and get cool shots to share with my friends. I feel like this generation is gonna finally push the new digital frontier. This is gonna change the game forever.
So I love New Mexico, and I really wanted to sort of create a love poem to New Mexico and an immersive history lesson.
You are standing on the rim of the Valle Caldera.
I love these historic road signs. They're sort of these funny, archaic things, and I love the idea that it might bring new life to this old way that we used to give people information. AR is such an opportunity to create a more inclusive world. We may not like the way that we've always done that with technology, but this is an opportunity to create a new way.
This is how we're going to do things in the future, and it's now.
Create the world you want to see.
Can Azeron Keypad get even better? Yes, it can. Introducing Cyborg, a next-generation Azeron keypad that raises the bar in gaming with unparalleled adjustability and exceptional comfort. After getting used to this beast, you'll never look back. Crush anyone with simple finger clicks. Redesigned, easy-to-reach layout of the buttons. Depending on your choice, Cyborg has 24 or 29 programmable, easy-to-reach buttons. Decrease the finger travel distance even more to enjoy maximum comfort and less stress during long gaming sessions. Keys can be set up as keyboard, controller, mouse buttons, or as macro. Cyborg boasts advanced towers with even deeper adjustability, which lets you play with unrivaled comfort. Reimagined towers can be lifted so the buttons are right at your fingertips. New towers can also be tilted sideways, so they're aligned perfectly with your fingers. You can now adjust the top buttons to maintain the shortest travel distance from your fingers to the key you need at the moment. Change the distance between your fingers and from the palm rest to each tower, so you have easy reach to buttons right at your fingertips. Cyborg is equipped with a new advanced thumbstick. You can lift, lower, or slightly tilt it sideways to make gameplay even smoother and comfortable. Choose between two options for your thumb, with a 5-way D-pad and without it. Regular thumbstick boasts bigger adjustment range, while the one with the 5-way D-pad has 5 additional buttons. Thumbstick can be set up as WASD or as an Xbox analog stick. Above that, the included thumbstick caps can be swapped just by pulling them off. You can choose between two palm rest types, flat and curved. Curved is the most comfortable and will fix your hand in one position. The flat palm rest works better for those who like to move the hand while gaming or have wider hands. Cyborg also includes a brand new element, an elevation plate. By having it removed, you can reduce the height of the palm rest. You can save your favorite profiles in the onboard memory. Whatever you play, it is better played with Cyborg.
Hello. Feeling thirsty?